life isn't fair, and not everybody gets what they want. And maybe everybody has the potential for greatness, but everybody doesn't achieve greatness. And many of us find a lot of disappointments along the path of our lives. That oftentimes we find that we reach a certain point in our life and we wonder, well, how did I get here? I did never expect it to, at this point in my life, to be in this situation, and what a bummer. So a lot of us live with disappointments, and we're on a path. We want to try to accomplish something, achieve something, achieve greatness of some sort, or and accomplish something, or whatever it might be. And we work towards it. We persevere and we persist, and perhaps we don't get it. And then at the end of that time period, at the end of the day, at the end of our lives, whatever, we are bummed out. We're depressed, morose. Maybe we're angry and resentful and bitter for a variety of reasons. Maybe we blame other people for us not getting what we wanted, whatever it might be. But my point is, look, go for your dreams. Try to fly as high as you can get. But try to be happy on the path. Try to be grateful on the path. Try to be joyous on the path. Count your blessings on the path. Enjoy the people you cross on the path. Right? Smile, be happy, connect, relate, live, share, care on your path towards whatever you hope to accomplish or achieve. Because then, if it works out great, that's icing on the cake, good for you. But if it doesn't work out, and you look back at your life, and you'll look back at a life full of meaning and joy and connection and cooperation, and there'll probably be achievements in there as well, and perhaps they're personal victories rather than big global victories for you. But the point is, if you count your blessings every day and try to engage with people in a positive way every day and try to share and care, and it doesn't matter what happens. It doesn't matter what accomplishments or not you achieve down the road in the course of your life. Your meaning and value and success will be in every day and in every way that you connected with people. And we're happy and joyous and free, and and feeling good and feeling love for people. That's what you want to do. Every day, feel love for people. Feel good about your life. Feel grateful to be on the planet. Smell the roses. Enjoy the beauty. Contribute to the beauty. And then, whether you sell that book or become the number one singer on the planet, or whatever, it doesn't matter. If you do or you don't, you will not have wasted your life. You will waste your life if you're trying to achieve something, and all along the way you're stressed and depressed and unhappy, and always looking to a future day to be happy, always looking towards a future outcome to make you happy. No, be happy now. Be happy now as you strive towards greatness or whatever else you might want to accomplish. Be happy now.